Okay. Uh, 3rd November, 10:30, partially cloudy day, partially sunny day. Oh, whatever. Um, the topic is called relationship. Hmm? What is relationship? Relationship is basically a connection between two or more people, or maybe between two or more entities. Entities means non-human. Yeah, the relationship could be between two countries, two businesses, a human and a business. So relationship is a connection between two or more people or two or more entities. Now, there are two main broad categories. One is personal, one is professional. In personal, we have family and friends and romance. In professional, we have business and job and etc. Before we start anything, we need to understand that the first relationship that we have is with ourselves. We call it intrapersonal relationship. You should know who you are, what you want, what you're looking for, what is best for you, who is best for you. According to that, we develop a relationship. Now, we have relationships, business, professional, friends, family, whatever, neighbors. But what is the problem that fails the relationship, or what is required to help you grow in the relationship? Şimdi, the first thing is trust. Trust is very important for not only for relationship, for your own self. So the first thing you need to understand to have trust in yourself. Tamam? You will have trust in yourself, then you can have trust in others. So trust in yourself means, for example, you should know that you are going to be a success in whatever you're doing. Tamam? Don't have doubts. The moment you have doubts, you're going to destroy everything. Because it's negativity. You already have negative feeling about someone or something, then you will fail. Definitely you will fail at some point. The relationship will not grow. So trust in yourself and trust in that person or a thing, whatever you're going for. Number 2, honesty and truthfulness. Yani, this is very simple. Everybody knows what is honesty, what is truthfulness. Oh God, it's getting dark. It might rain. Honesty and truthfulness is not to be dishonest or deceptive. Honest, straight, honest, truthful. With a professional relationship or a personal relationship. Number 3 is faithfulness and loyalty. Faithfulness, loyalty, sincerity. Now this is very close to honesty actually. Faithful is sadaka. Yani it's in Turkish. It's actually very difficult to define once you've described honesty. It's like honesty. An honest person is supposed to be faithful. A faithful person is supposed to be honest. It's like, not a deceptive or manipulative person. Okay. Then we have understanding, very important. What is understanding? Before you start a relationship, a human or a non-human, you need to understand the opposite side. And you need to understand person or the business or the job. Once you've understood, and then it's easy for you to move on with the relationship. For example, if you haven't understood a person and you call yourself a friend, then it's silly of you because you don't even know that person. So how could you be a friend? The positive and the negative, and in the mind. Similarly, the job, the business, the profession that you're doing. If you know the job, then well and good. You will do it. You will do good. If not, then of course, because you haven't understood the job, the structure. Then we have compromise and sacrifice. So compromise is, every relationship needs compromises. It's very simple. And you need to leave out something in order to gain something. It could be family against job, job against family, family against friends, friends against whatever. Tamam? So you need to make compromises. Need. Very important. What is need? Do you really need this job? Do you really need this person? Do you really need this work to be done? Do I really need this relationship? Is he really for me? Is she really for me? Is this job, is this profession, is this state of whatever, is this really for me? Should I waste my time and energy in this? Or are they for me? So need, do you really need this? Is there a need? Love and respect. Love and respect is normal, is general, is to have love and respect for everyone. Decency, courtesy, we call it courtesy. Even if you don't like, and even if you're not really willing to get along, you just need to have a little bit of love and respect for the other person to realize that I'm with you at a certain level, but on a human level, yani on a humanity basis, I'm trying to get along with you based on love and respect. So these are the factors, 7 I've written, which are really important for a relationship. If you have this, then yes, you have a relationship. If you're not, then there is no relationship, or the relationship is very weak. So if you work on these factors, the relationship will grow. Now, most relationships I see are fake. They're based on needs. Actually, every relationship is based on needs. It's fine. But some relationships are just unnecessary. They are just fake, and they are, I mean, in emotional relationship, in romantic, in emotionalism, yes, you need to have more of a faithful, sincere relationship. But in some relationships, you just try to get along. For example, with neighbors, you could be honest and faithful, but you just, you don't have to be, you don't need to get close in a more emotional level. In business also, you don't really need to get close with your employees, but yes, on a professional level, you try to get along as far as you can, keeping these factors in mind. Let me just, my God, it's so dark. You can see this clearly now. Let's see. Yes, it's clear now. Relationship, the meaning, the different kinds, the factors that affect relationship and that could help you grow or make it weak. Come on. I wrote this today because since I've got nothing to do, so I thought might as well just do this for my students, for my channel actually. Most of them are my students, so if they could learn, if they could understand, if they could, grasp anything constructive, positive should be. Education needs to spread as far as there's 1 minute left, as far as possible. So I'm not with them physically, but I can, try to transfer it through the channel so they could learn, and maybe they know better than this. But if not, then of course there is something they could grasp and use the benefit. Okay, so yeah, it's going to go 1 minute left. So, relationship. I've covered everything, haven't I? Come on. See you in the next video. It was really dark. I'm sorry. Take care. Bye.